family, good morning. I just wanted to talk to you about this coronavirus here in Jamaica. A little something a little different from what we already know. Right now, at this point, there have been 8 confirmed cases here in the island, right, and several others in quarantine and isolation. Now, we already spoke about, and I've shared it with some of my family members and friends, the key preparation tips, making sure you stock up on some key items, cleaning, sanitation, sanitary, key food items and so on, right? At least for a month, that's what they say. Making sure we wash and sanitize our hands, wash our hands as often as we can. Sanitize areas that other people might have come into contact with, door handles, even bags and stuff that you use, those kind of things that you touch a lot. Sanitize those things, right? Stay away from crowds. We already talked about much of that, and of course keep close to our faith. But there's one thing that I got from one of my mentors, Dr. Ken, and I want to share with you. He mentioned that we should, it's not about discriminating, but he said, pretend as if the person next to you or who you're interacting with already have the virus, and also that you yourself might already have it on your hands, at least. Okay? So that will enable us to take even more precaution. You've heard about community spread, and in the Bull Bay area, you've heard that the government has quarantined that area, entire community, because of what they suspect is a community spread. Now, the danger with community spread is that when there are no signs, especially in the early stages, people tend to believe that everything is okay. So even family members, church family, work family, friends, there are no visible symptoms, and we say everything is okay until you hear that one person gets it, then everybody has it. So he's saying, guess what? There's a high potential of community spread right now, not just in my area or in Jamaica, but across the world. That is the danger, the community spread. So treat it, even though the person beside you may not show visible symptoms. Your suppliers, your customers, this include, in my case, my barber, hairdresser, those persons around us, family members. Please take extra precaution. Pretend as if it's already out there. You don't know who have it or who doesn't. So let's take extra precaution, my friends, and hope that and pray that this monster goes away pretty quick. But it's going to take a community effort. It's going to take everybody rallying to make it happen. So this is what I want to share with you to prevent community spread. Do all we need, pretend that it's already there, and so we do everything in our powers not to spread it any further. I will be sharing the link for the preparation tips as well as all the updates on the virus in the description below, to make sure you take a look at them. What happens from now will be highly dependent on how we treat it. Stay safe, all the best, take care of your loved ones, especially those who are elderly. Reach out, call out. Maybe it's a little bit it may be a little late now to be visiting people, but reach out at least by phone. Make sure they have some key items, especially the older persons. Let them know what are the risks. Give them preparation tips if you have to over the phone, those kind of things. What happens again from here on is going to be dependent on what we do now. Stay safe, be safe, pray for me, pray for our country. All the best to you.